got a little company today. We're gonna go look at baking stuff.
I'm so excited.
I know, it's fun,
I'm
huh?
so excited.
You are
I'm
so excited.
excited.
You are all of the things.
Oh my God, what's wrong with me?
You're excited to be exciting.
Oh, look at for Liam and JJ. Little mini tools.
That's so cute.
A little rolling pin and a little
JJ, are you going to use that to bake with?
And a little basting brush.
Oh, the little basting brush is so cute. I don't think I like that. That makes me feel really uncomfortable. But look at all the molds, Kim.
Oh, Carolyn.
Oh my gosh.
Mold heaven.
Baking molds, not just, you know, make you sick mold. Now look at these bunnies. Holy moly.
Those are a little cuter.
Those are a little cuter. A little more friendly.
That looks like a adult toy.
I didn't think we were coming to that kind of a place.
Carolyn, where did you bring us? A pearl
Downtown Phoenix.
tool.
What does it mean? Funnel? Loading funnel included.
Let's turn it around.
Oh.
Look at the back.
Oh.
Read this before opening your new tool.
I think that's wise. So it just does the dots if you want like symmetrical. You load the dots in and then you just place them on there so you don't have to use like tweezers.
Okay, sure.
Is my hunch, but yeah, it doesn't look right.
That's a tool we don't want to invest in.
We're gonna go this way.
We're gonna pass on that.
Yeah, no thank you.
Happy camper.
So many choices.
Oh my gosh, there's little camping ones.
Oh yeah?
Oh my
Baby
gosh.
stuff. Look at Carolyn. Oh, those are so cute. Oh, look at the little pizza burger and fries. Oh, cute. Some people are truly talented.
Jeez Louise.
I kind of need some of those for my tarts. What a shocker. You're getting something turquoise.
Very tempting.
I know. It's just nice to have something to put all those things on. I want a box for my tart. Because you know when you stick it on the
What are you saying?
I have no idea. When you put it on the
plate?
Yeah, there you go. Plate. That's a good one. That's why I bring you.
Plate. Okay,
God.
plate.
When you put it on the plate, then you want to put it in a box.
Well,
that was my very complicated way of saying something very simple.
Box number C.
Box number C?
Box letter C.
I'm not alone. You
We
see?
haven't had enough coffee yet.
Kim, I found more sprinkles. Look at all the colors of sprinkles.
Holy crap, and look behind you. Did you even look behind you? All the molds?
Oh my God. It's Mold City. In a nice way. Look at all the melts.
Holy crap.
Ooh, I need to get me some melts. Oh, it's a candy melt squeeze. It's a marbling bottle. Oh, it's got two inserts. That's neat. You can make swirls.
A marbling bottle? Who knew there was such a thing?
I didn't know. Look at all these colors. Look at the candy colors you can make. Oh. I don't understand why there's a picture of, well, the mold is of numbers, but there's a molten cake. What's happening? All the sugar things. Some isomalt. I'd probably burn myself terribly. I can't play with sugar. A glue skillet. A what? Great for gluing stems on silk trees, pine cones, and wreaths. Why is that with sugar? It says no muffin pans needed. Why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't you
Are
put?
they sturdy?
Apparently, they're grease-proof, easy to peel, bakery quality. Natural paper fits large muffin baking tins, but you said no pans required. I don't trust it. It shows them just pouring them straight on the pan. I say no. Now those are fun. Oh, that would make it challenging to get to your cupcake, but they would look amazing. It's a thing with you, isn't it? It's everything is just drawn to
I might
you.
have to get those.
I like these because they're ombre.
Oh,
Those are fun.
those are fun. That's cool.
Kim found extracts. I want to see if they have apple. I want apple extract. Look at all these little guys. Getting the apple.
Oh my god.
This is all going to be very tasty. I have good feelings.
Oh my god.
You don't have a sifter?
Not a little one, I've got a big one. I like the little one.
I like these things.
Yeah, that's...
The Pioneer Woman's coming out with one. I'm waiting. Because hers are pretty. You're a person who was born in the 80s and you had your birthday cakes done at a grocery store. You'll feel real nostalgic about this. Look at how fun! This makes me feel like I'm 5 again. I feel so young. Not really. Aren't those fun? See? That looks very festive. I enjoy it. You wear that all day.
What is this? What is
The
this
stamens?
word? What is that?
Stamens are the centers of flowers, the little... What did you think they were?
I should know this.
We are not making flowers. We love y'all. We're not doing those things. Kim, I don't want tea cakes anymore. I want popovers. Will you make me popovers?
Popovers and tea cakes.
I want popovers. I don't want cake.
Do you just eat those by themselves?
Heck yeah. Put some butter on it. Some people put...
Okay, I'm adding that to our list of things to do.
Okay.
Popovers and tea cakes.
Popovers and tea
You
cakes.
can do popovers, I'll do tea cakes.
What do you got? Ooh. Good finding, JJ. You would find the only teal mini bunt pan.
Which one do I get, Carolyn?
I don't know.
The little minis?
You can make lots or one small one. Maybe one small one?
One small one.
That makes more sense. You want to make a cool kid cake and you want to impress all the peoples. And this is where you come to get all the decor. Because really, that, I mean, $4.99? That's pretty darn good. You get firemen,
I know.
the dog, gotta have a dog, some trees. That'd make a cool fireman cake.
Look it! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. Little... It looks so good on you.
Oh my gosh!
JJ, you look adorable.
Oh, that is too funny.
That is awesome. For real, if you want to make a fun cake, this is where you come. That's so fun. Oh, the pirate.
The award for best tart maker goes to Carolyn.
Oh, thank you. I
You
couldn't
are
have
the
done
best
it
tart
without all
maker.
the small people in my life. Oh, that's smart that I don't have to cut my own. Oh, I love it.
Oh my gosh. How funny is that?
JJ, what do you got? Oh my gosh, that sheep pan is the size of you. Clouds, gosh. Cutters, shields. So much stuff.
Oh my god, we could go out of our box and do little rectangle tarts.
Little.
This
Are you
says-
suggesting we take tarts rectangular? That's so cute. Can you do that again, Kim? Oh my gosh, all the flags. I'm gonna get one of these for Liam. Since he's obsessed with
I love it.
flags, he can wear it on his finger. Kim,
Yes.
what's happened here?
Oh god, I was gonna say, is he naked?
That's just the balloons in the way.
Oh my god.
He's a macho man,
bachelorette party.
I guess.
That is hilarious.
That was surprising. 4th of July and that guy.
Oh my god. We made it out alive.
We made it out alive. That was a lot of things.
Holy cow.
That was a lot of money. That was fun.
That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun. Thanks, ABC.
That's a neat store.
Isn't that fun? We'll be back again because
It's
we're gonna need more stuff.
Restaurant standards.
Yes, and it's closer than Mesa. Not by much, but a little bit. Bye-bye, baking. Thank you for joining us today. We had so much fun. Also, if you enjoyed our video today, please like and subscribe. We want to see more of you. If you have any comments, leave them below.